Hello everyone, my name is Cesar Zuluaga and welcome to the Financial Forecast. Today we are exploring a revolutionary topic. This is financial technology, better known as fintech. And you think, what is fintech? Fintech is the coupling of financial services and solutions based on advanced technology and innovation. Its main purpose is to compete with traditional financial methods, to make services more efficient, intelligent, and accessible to the general public. Okay, in this broadcast, we will analyze how technology is transforming finance by highlighting its main advantages and disadvantages. We can see one of the advantages is the greater accessibility. This is one of the biggest pros. Anyone with internet access can now open an account or receive a loan, which increases financial inclusion for underserved population. Other one of the advantage is the speed and agility. Fintech companies are much more nimble and faster than traditional banks. Response times for application can range from 10 to 48 hours. And since processes are online, there is no need to visit a physical branch. Other advantage is the lower cost, because they lack physical structure. Many fintech offer lower commissions than the traditional financial companies. Other advantage is the hyper-personalization of the service. Using real-time data strategically allows these companies to offer services perfectly tailored to individual user needs. On the other hand, we have the disadvantages. For example, the trouble of the security and privacy. Security remains the biggest challenge of information technology. There are constant risks regarding the protection of user data and privacy. The digital divide. The reliance on technology immediately excludes a large part of the population that doesn't have internet connection. Lack of physical presence. Not having a physical branches can be an inconvenience when problems arise, as everything must be handled by email or social network. Other disadvantage can be the disadvantage. Other disadvantage are regulatory gaps. Regulations around the world are not perfect yet. This lack of oversight means some fintech models could potentially lead to fraud or deceptions. Other disadvantage is the impact on banking relationships. Relying on fintech might hurt a strategic relationship that you have with your primary commercial banker. We are finishing up with our forecast. In conclusion, while fintech offer massive disruption and efficiency by automating manual processes, it also presents challenges, insecurity and regulation that we must address responsibly. As a future financial administration, I recommend you that before carry out any transaction, you investigate thoroughly, avoid deception, and protect your investments. Okay, that is all for today's report. Thank you for joining me.